Okay, here's your time.
28 minutes, 47 seconds. That's not too shabby. I would drive this to church right now. This segment is all about doing an express car wash. You don't always need to do a full 2-bucket wash, full wheel and tire cleaning on your vehicle. Let's be honest, it's not always that dirty.
Yep.
Now this vehicle, Joe, we went ahead and did a quick segment on it a couple days ago at our shop here in Scottsdale. We ceramic coated the entire exterior. We did the wheels, we did the plastic. We jumped in it to drive it home and it started raining.
Yep.
So we got this thing in about 10 miles of rain driving, we got it dirty again.
Yep. And when we say ceramic coated, we use the Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Advanced. So very easy. And if you want to learn how to do that, it took us 56 minutes.
Yep.
If you want to learn how to do that, click the link right here. Learn how to ceramic coat your car in record time. Now, either have your car ceramic spray coated,
Yep.
which is easy, or H2O Garden Gloss, which is one of our favorite products.
Yeah.
Use that product. It's going to keep your car protected. The water behavior is the thing that's really the caveat here, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
If you don't have a car that's been detailed, all of your washing and all of your drying and everything you do to touch your car is going to be exponentially more difficult, more damaging, and the results won't be where you want them.
Yeah.
So remember, any sort of express detailing, anything, any washing, drying, most of the stuff that we teach is all about getting your car to a point where you can ceramic coat it, because once it's coated, your car is so much easier to clean.
Yes.
You're going to watch the water behavior when we rinse this thing off. It is easier.
Easy and efficient.
And quick.
And that's why we can do this today, right?
Amen.
Now, what's the first thing we do for the express wash?
Now we got to make sure this under 30 minutes thing is one person, because you might not have a helper at home. You know?
Yeah.
When I'm at home, I sometimes have a helper. My 10-year-old Enzo will help me a lot. However, more often than not, it's a solo job. So I'll be the manual laborer, Joe. You be El Jefe today.
Okay, so what's the first thing you do?
First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse the wheels.
Okay.
I'm going to go around and make sure and just see how dirty they are and see how much work I'm going to need.
Yeah.
So I'm going to rinse the wheels, because you always start with the wheels and the tires. Rinsing the wheels, rinsing the wheel wells.
Okay.
Man, when you rinse your wheels that have been ceramic coated, that is such a game changer. All the time and energy you have to always get in there and always agitate and use chemicals to clean your wheels. Man, once you're coated, it just reduces the energy by about 85%. Now watch this. We use the graphene tire shine on this. Watch what happens as I clean these. They actually stay black, they bead water, and we won't even have to redress the tires. All right, wheels are rinsed. Now it's time to do the rest of the car. Look at the water behavior on this car. Look at the way the water's beating, and as I blast, all the dirt, everything just goes right away. Right off the car. Now, I definitely want to spend a little bit more time at the below the belt line. That's where this thing kicked up quite a bit of dirt and crud during the last little rain drive. So you notice slow, deliberate passes on the dirtiest sections of the SUV. And then the back, which is always the dirtiest. We're all rinsed off, and we're gonna go ahead and use the Graphene shampoo in the foam cannon, and we're gonna blast it down. All right, back now to the spray nozzle, and then we're gonna go ahead and give it a wash. So, boom, my wash pad, already rinsed, already clean, and now very, very sudsy. I only wanna wash the dirty parts of the vehicle. I mean, I got 95% of the dirt off with just the pressure washer earlier, as this is ceramic coated. Now I'm gonna wash below the belt line to get that off, and the rear of the SUV, rinse, and away we go. All right.
You're at 14 minutes so far. So how do you feel like you're doing?
I'm gonna beat the 30 minutes for sure.
Let's go.
Okay, so washed. Now I'm gonna rinse. The second I rinse, I'm gonna start blowing this sucker with the air cannon, dry it off. I'm gonna be 27 minutes tops.
There we go. And here's just to reiterate again, the caveat to this whole thing, in my opinion, in my calculated opinion, is the ceramic coating. Watching you go through and rinse it off the initial, it just, everything started falling off, and that's the beauty of that product.
Yeah. Easy car care starts with the ceramic coating. All right? Get your car detailed and ceramic coated, and everything else becomes easier.
Yeah. Okay, let's see it. We're still timing you.
All right, Joe, you know you can never have too much of a good thing, right? Never too much of a good thing. Water beating is a good thing. Look at that. Look at that. I love that. That is so satisfying. That's one of the most satisfying things about the ceramic coating, is watching the dirt go away. Now, just to make sure I get even an easier time drying, shots of detail spray. I'm gonna walk around the whole vehicle, give it a quick mist. Why not? Especially where it's in the sun, because you don't want water spots, and this will slow them way down or stop them altogether. Remember, if you think you're using too much detail spray, stop thinking, keep humping that trigger. We got kids to put through college. I need you to hit that trigger like it's your job. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And boom, and boom. Okay, we are rinsed. Now it's time to move on from the washing and get busy with the drying and, of course, the air cannon. You want the fastest way to dry your car? An air cannon, hands down. You can't do it faster. I'm gonna set it all the way to max speed and watch this hose grow to 30 feet while I blast 85% of the water right off. So I'm not going to spend lots of time moving the water from the main flat surfaces. I just want to get it all out of the grill and anywhere where the water's in a pool.
You're at 21 minutes.
Man, is that a time saver. So, blown off, now we're rolling right into the toweling off. So, a quick mist of detail spray because some of this has dried, the sun came out, and oh no, I got streaks. No problem. Give it a little spray, give it a little wipe, it'll come up perfect. Where am I at, guys? What's my time?
25.
25 minutes? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make it. I am gonna make it under 30. Rest of the car that's in the sunny side.
It looks amazing.
You look good in the camera, guys?
Yeah, definitely.
That's good. Pull this out of the door. That's a great idea. Joe. All right, done.
Okay, Adam, you want to see the time?
Yes, I do. 28 minutes, 47 seconds. That's not bad.
That's pretty good.
Not bad.
I'm surprised. I mean, you're late by a minute.
I thought I could do it a little faster, certainly. But listen, I did get all the door jams. I got the entire thing ready. I would drive this to church right now.
100%.
You know, it's totally ready to roll. Tires still look black.
Yeah.
The overall effectiveness of our very speedy wash, I would give it a 9.8.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Totally happy to drive this thing around now.
Yeah, and you know, just obviously I was like standing off to the side because I didn't want to do any of the work.
Yeah, good job. Well done.
But realistically here, I think, again, the caveat is ceramic coating, protection. Also, even having some of that protection in your tire dressing benefited you as well, because then you don't need to go back and redress them.
Right.
So it might seem like you're cutting corners, but you're not, because you did the work up front.
Amen.
Right? And again, the ceramic coating we did on this car took under an hour.
That was huge.
So you're all in a full ceramic coating
Yeah.
and a wash, less than an hour and a half.
I want to debunk the thought that ceramic coatings are difficult.
Yeah.
I want to accelerate the understanding that they're essential to car care.
Yeah.
They make it so much easier to do everything. You wash it easier, you dry it easier.
Yeah.
You saw the water behavior. You saw when I was blowing it, the water was just flying off it.
Yeah.
We can make car care easier by coating your vehicles.
Yeah, I think at Adams Polishes, with our experience of ceramic coating, it shifted from keeping something perfect to then becoming a tool to make car care easier.
Amen.
Yeah.
You don't need to have a flawless car to ceramic coat it. This
Yeah.
is a perfect example.
Exactly.
We didn't polish 1 square inch of this thing.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
It has some swirl still.
Yeah.
But you see them way less, and the gloss is accelerated like crazy.
Well, nonetheless, I hope this video helped you, and just realize Adams Polishes has all the tools to do everything from a very, very thorough 2-bucket wash to this express wash. And this really is just an extension of all the tools you have for washing.
That's exactly right. Well, again, there's a few more minutes to add here. If you didn't have a pressure washer, add 10 minutes to your wash, or 15 minutes, okay? If you don't have a blower, add 5 to 10 minutes in additional dry time. So that doubles your express wash if you remove the blower and you remove the pressure washer. Those are 2 critical pieces to the express wash.
And I will say, just as an overarching thing, one tool that we didn't have here, and it was by design because I wanted to show us drying it, a deionizer. If you had a deionizer that had complete filtered water, meaning your ppm, parts per million, was under 10, you essentially could have rinsed this off and drove away.
Well, I would have done things like, I would have not dried the door jambs.
Yeah.
I would have done a few more things because I wouldn't worry about the water, because as soon as it spots in the door jambs, it's not spotting.
Yeah.
There's no minerals in the water
Yeah.
to spot.
Yeah, so a deionizer is a great tool, but in this case, if you don't have one, 28 minutes.
28 minutes.
1 minute late.
Not too shabby, Joe.
Well done.
Thanks.